Hi, how is it going? Today I would like to talk about another phrasal verb, and for this wonderful opportunity we have the phrasal verb catch up. So we have the meaning and we also have an example right here. So I just want to show you the meaning. So the meaning is reach the same standard or level as someone else. And the example that we have right here is I need to catch up on my reading for the class. So something else that I can say about this phrasal verb is that it has several meanings, generally indicating making up for lost time or space or staying informed. It can mean to reach the same level as someone or something, to do something that was previously missed, to learn about recent events, or to spend time with someone to discuss what's been happening. So here's a more detailed breakdown. The first one could be reaching the same level. So catch up can mean to reach the same level, standard, or progress as someone else who is ahead. And I'm going to give you two examples. The first one could be he's doing extra work to catch up with the rest of the class. The other example could be the company is struggling to catch up with its competitors. And we can use it in another way, doing something that was missed. Catch up can also mean to do something that one hasn't had time to do or that one was behind on. And two examples that we can use for this explanation could be, okay, the first one, she has to catch up on her homework, and the other one, I need to catch up on my reading. Another way to use it is staying informed, discussing events. So catch up can mean to learn about the latest news or events or to discuss what's been happening with someone. And an example could be, let's go out for lunch. I want to catch up on all your news. And another example, and the last one could be, we need to catch up over coffee. So it is all for today. And let's remember, the more you study, the more the more you learn. So these phrasal verbs are going to enrich your vocabulary and also your speaking. So try to keep them in mind. Thank you and goodbye.